It was Sarah's birthday, and her friend Alex came over to celebrate with her. Sarah's apartment was small but simple and stylish. Fairy lights twinkled on the walls, and there were colorful balloons floating near the ceiling. On the table, there was a delicious cake decorated with candles. "This cake looks amazing, too," Alex said, his eyes widening. "Did you bake it yourself?" "Yes," Sarah said proudly. "It's a chocolate cake with vanilla frosting. My mom gave me the recipe." "I can't wait to try it," Alex exclaimed. They sat down at the table and started to chat. Alex told Sarah about his funny new neighbor who always played loud music. Sarah, in turn, told him about her new job, which she found a bit difficult, but was determined to master. Suddenly, the doorbell rang. Sarah went to answer the door and saw a young woman standing there holding a bouquet of flowers. "Hi, Sarah, is this the right address for the birthday girl?" the woman asked with a charming smile. "Yes, that's me," Sarah replied, surprised. "Who are you?" "I'm Emily," the woman said. "I live next door. I just wanted to bring you a little birthday present." "Oh, that's so kind of you, Emily." "Thank you so much," Sarah said, taking the flowers. "They're lovely." "You're welcome," Emily replied. "Happy birthday." Sarah invited Emily to join them for cake, and they all ended up having a fun afternoon together. Sarah was happy to have made a new friend and to be surrounded by kind and supportive people on her special day. Even though her apartment was small, it felt filled with warmth, laughter, and love. "Hi, how was your holiday this year?"
It was amazing. I went to the beach with my family.
That sounds lovely. Did you have good weather?
Yes, the weather was perfect. The water was lovely and warm.
What did you do at the beach?
We built sandcastles, swam in the sea, and played volleyball.
It sounds like you had a lot of fun.
Yes, it was a great time.